Hey guys, welcome back to my channel today. I just wanted to come back to, I wanted to do an update real quick. I apologize, the camera is adjusting itself and I really don't have a whole lot of time because we are going to be delivering these cakes. But what I wanted to share with you today is this Nordic pan. I've already talked about Nordic. As a matter of fact, my reviews on Nordic has not been highly recommending, so I want to take that back and highly recommend the Nordic 12 cake mix bundt pan. It is called the anniversary bundt pan. I made 4 cakes, guys. I only had the one pan and it requires the 12 cupper. These are the cakes. Aren't they pretty? Aren't they lovely? What do you think? So I made all 4 of them with this one pan without washing it. I only recoated the pan each time, but they all came out so beautifully. They came out so beautiful. Excuse the crookedness of my camera. I'm trying to hurry up. Anyway, so I just wanted to come back and say, I highly recommend this pan. Okay, if you're making a cake that requires a 12 cup recipe, that Nordic one is the one. You just have to coat it, and I would highly recommend Baker's Joy because it gets the job done. You don't have to worry about the flour and the butter or the flour and the grease. You just use that. Everybody knows about it, so I'm not going to even go on that. The other thing I wanted to come to you and share is my upcoming next video. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with Tosh Point Fro Eats. She does quite a few mukbangs. One day I just was on scrolling and I found her channel, and I'm so glad I did. She made these she has a flaming hot Cheeto fried pickle recipe. And guys, I love pickles. I don't know about you. So anyway, long story short, I got my Ninja air fryer and I'm going to be doing that recipe. It'll either be today or tomorrow. I would like my daughter to join me on that video because she also likes pickles. Of course, I was pregnant with her when the cravings came back for pickles, and so she adapted that from me. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to share with you how Nordic pan works. I highly recommend it, and that's all. So until my next video, and thank you again to all of my new subscribers. Welcome, welcome, welcome to Show Enough. Gonna keep it real with you, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. Oh yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video with those who you think may be interested. Again, I appreciate you guys. Bye-bye.